David, good to have you here. September, a good start, I guess. We're hitting all-time highs again, and you know the question continues to be, is the market still going to go higher? We're talking about stocks, bonds, and real estate all seem to be doing pretty well. What say you?
I say, well, we had the biggest August in 14 years since 2000. I don't know if that's good or bad, but because 2000 was not the best time to be owning stocks. We've only had, since 1929, 12 times that the S&P was up 3% or more, hitting 52-week highs going into September, and 11 of those 12 times, which is 92% of the time, the market went lower in September. Add that to tapering being taken away, add that to midterm election cycles, which I've talked about, which have average drop about 17% going into midterm elections into November, and you can have some issues. So, you know, that's one area to look at. That'll be interesting to see how that works out. Number two, you know, I am concerned about the bond market. Actually, this week we had the first time I've seen in a long time where you had stocks fall a little bit and you had bonds fall as well, the value of bonds. And typically in a normal stock market, you're going to have, when stocks fall, bonds rise, the value of bonds. And so we could have a situation that I've been concerned about where you actually have bond prices fall and stock prices fall, meaning interest rates rise, the value of your bonds fall, stock prices fall, which would really hurt your diversification for stocks and bonds. So now is really the time to reevaluate the risk associated with stocks and bonds. So as we always say, you know, plan first, protect what you have, and you have a better chance of prospering.
Yeah, no, I just referred a good friend to David Reyes recently who inherited some money, and the first step that David's taken with him is to make sure that he doesn't lose it, that he does protect it, and then you can focus on growth from there. David, you have your radio show on KFNB. We hear you on 1170 AM KCBQ, always delivering great information. The one thing we really want to encourage people today to do is visit you online, check out your website, reyesplan.com. You can see it there on your page. David, great information. We appreciate you coming in.